Say hi. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Look at those little legs. Those pork chops. Are you gonna talk? Yeah. You being shy for the camera? Are you being shy? Are you being shy? Really? Ah? Ah? You don't say so. Oh? Ee. Ah? Ah. Hi. Mommy loves Sophia. Yes, she does. Hi. Ah. Come on. I know. I know. Really? No. Really? Really? Dancing? Hmm. What? Huh? Hi? Mama? Mama? Hmm. Okay. Yeah. What happened? Is that so? Really? Hi. Yeah. What are you saying? What are you trying to tell me? You're trying to tell me something. Really? Yeah. Wow. Mommy, I want more food. I'm hungry. What are your first words going to be, Sophia? Okay, baby. Okay. Okay? That? Ah. Yeah, you're doing so good. You're doing so good. Oh, that sounds like it's gonna be yeah. This is not a happy one. Yeah? Okay, okay, Baba's coming. Baba? Baba? Simple. That's all she wants. All she wants is, Mommy, I want my bottle and I want it now. And you're going to look back at this one day, Sophia, and you're going to be like, that wasn't me. And I'm going to say, oh yes, the most beautiful baby in the world. I love you, Sophia.